What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video we're going to unbox some silver and also talk about how high silver can go in 2022. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so first things first, let's get this silver unboxed. Now, I actually have my maple monster box out here because we are adding some more Canadian silver maple leafs to the monster box. So let's break this open here, and I should mention, when I buy silver online, I like to shop over at sdbullion.com, and they are doing a giveaway right now. So if you have not entered their giveaway, make sure you do so. It is a full monster box of American Silver Eagles that they're giving away, and I will put a link down below in the description of this video to check that out if you want to enter for yourself. But let's get this silver out here. Yes. Another tube of maples. I think there should be more than just that. Yes, the double tube. 50 Canadian silver maple leafs. Let's crack these open and take a look at what we got. Okay, so here is the first tube, and it's interesting. They always put Queen Elizabeth side up when they package these from the Royal Canadian Mint. You know, I kind of wish they would put the maple leaf side up, because to me this side is way cooler. But anyway, whoops. We're dropping silver. There's the first tube. Here is the second tube. We'll take out a few more. Oh, look at that. We got a little mix and match action. That one was backwards. Craziness. Oh, there's another one that's backwards. What is this, every other? I cannot figure out how they package these. Maybe it is every other. That's kind of interesting. Let's take out more and let's see if that actually is the pattern, because I don't think I've... Okay, so these are in a row. Maybe it is kind of just random, but every time I get a new tube, it seems like they are they're Queen Elizabeth side up. So kind of interesting. Oh yeah, that is money right there. So anyway, we got two more tubes, which is 50 coins, and we're making good progress on the maple monster box. We actually have 175 right here, plus a few more. So we are over a third of the way done with this, which is great. And we're over a third of the way done with the year. Well, we're getting around that point. So we're making good progress. The thing is, though, if silver goes much higher, it's going to be more expensive to continue to buy these coins. So it's going to be harder to finish out this box here. So I'm kind of stacking as hard as I can right now. But, you know, that's the thing. You can only buy as much as you can, right? You don't want to overextend yourself. You always want to have a little bit of cash on hand for emergencies. But anyway, I'm hoping to finish this project by the end of the year, so we'll have to wait and see if I'm able to actually do that. But anyway, let's talk about the price of silver and what it could do here in 2022. Here is an article that came out yesterday talking about how silver could actually go up to $30 an ounce by the end of the year, and it's not just anyone making this prediction, it is Bank of America. So Bank of America still sees gold price hitting record highs and silver price pushing to 30. And right now, silver is at about $25 an ounce. So that'd be a $5 jump between now and the end of the year. And that's just talking about spot price. This has nothing to do with premiums. So if you're looking at a $3 to $5 premium, that premium could be much higher if demand increases. So let's dig in here. I'm not going to read the whole article. But it starts off by saying, the gold and silver are seeing some solid technical selling pressure after gold tested resistance at $2,000 an ounce at the start of the week. However, technical analysts at Bank of America Securities said that any dip in the price could be seen as a buying opportunity for both precious metals, so silver and gold. So when you see a little dip, that means it's time to buy. And, you know, today we're not having a huge dip. Silver's only down 4 cents. But, hey, this is a good buying opportunity in my opinion. Let's skip over some of this technical mumbo jumbo here and see what they say about silver. Here we go. Looking at silver prices, Bank of America reiterated its call for prices to push to 30 an ounce this year. The bullish outlook comes as silver prices fall nearly 3% on the day, with May silver futures last trading at $25.39 an ounce. So yeah, I agree with Bank of America. I do think it's quite possible we could see silver go to $30 an ounce this year. Obviously, there's a lot of year left. Anything could happen, so we'll have to wait and see how it all pans out. But is $30 silver a possibility? Absolutely. I mean, silver is more volatile than gold, and gold has been flirting with all-time highs. Silver is still at about half of its all-time high. So I think silver definitely could go much higher than it is right now. Will we see that happen in the next few months? I'm not sure, but if it does go lower, obviously that is going to be a great buying opportunity. Here we are over at sdbullion.com taking a brief look at the gold-silver ratio. So this is how many ounces of silver can buy you 1 ounce of gold. If you're just looking at the spot price, no premiums attached. So we are at 77.49. And, my general rule of thumb is that if the gold-silver ratio is over 80, then you're pretty much just buying silver. If it's below 60, then you're pretty much just buying gold at that point. So with it being around 77, silver is slightly a better buy compared to gold, in my opinion. And let's actually look at the, let's zoom out here. So we can see gold-silver ratio actually back in, when was this? It was March of 2020, went up to an all-time high of about 119, which is pretty crazy. So at that point in time, silver was a really good buy. And then, let's see, back in 2011, the gold-silver ratio went down to 32. So gold was a really good buy at that point in time. But right now, with it being in the upper 70s, I would say, I'm kind of leaning towards silver. If I had to pick one or the other, probably going to go silver right now. But gold is still a very good buy at this ratio. So this is just something that I look at. This is something that I keep track of. It's not the worst idea to take a quick peek at the gold-silver ratio before you decide to buy gold or silver, just to see kind of what it is and sort of have a ballpark idea in your mind of how one metal is doing compared to the other. So obviously this isn't something you need to be married to. If you find some gold that is a really good price and maybe it's on sale or something like that, then yeah, there's no problem at all buying gold right now. I mean, it's still between 60 and 80. So, gold and silver both are a good buy in my opinion. But anyway, just something to look at, something to keep note of. Now, I am curious what you think silver will be at when the year ends. Do you think $30 silver is a possibility? Obviously, I think it is a possibility. I'm still buying silver today. I think it is a good buy. If you do see any dips, definitely try and jump on those whenever the price comes down. Obviously, you can get more silver for your dollars. So converting that fiat currency into real money, always a good time. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this monster box before the year ends. That's kind of my goal now. Seeing my progress, I think it is doable. But anyway, what are your thoughts on silver? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Silver Dragons out.